Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn in this lesson about Ra. About Ra. Some Ra is heavy, some Ra is light. Which Ra is heavy, which Ra is light? We will discuss in this lesson. Okay. Hmm. So, what is the rule of the Ra? That rule is the Ra. If Ra if ra for example, if I ra if I have fatha, if I have fatha, if I have zamma, that time I am heavy. For example, suppose that I am ra. If I have fatha and zamma, that time I will be heavy. Even if I tanween zamma and tanween fatha, that time also will heavy. Even if I have shadda zamma and shadda fatha, that time also will be heavy. Okay. And when we'll have kasra, ra, if have kasra, that time ra will be light. What will be? Ra will be light. For example, I am ra. If I have kasra, so I am will be light. Okay. So ra and re. Huh? Fatha, Fatha cousin sister I have told. Kasra cousin sister I have told. Huh? Fatha, that means Fatha category. It's come Tanween Fatha and Fatha Shadda. This all in same category. Tanween Fatha, Fatha Shadda, Madda Fatha. If Kasra is there, so this all category will come. Tanween Kasra and Shadda Kasra and Madda Kasra. Huh? So even Zamma time also Ra will be heavy. Even Zamma, normal Zamma, even Zamma, Tanween Zamma, or Zamma should with the Shadda Zamma. That time Ra will be heavy. Okay. And if Ra has Kasra, Ra will be light. That is simple rule. Another rule is there. Another rule is there. You should see the third line. No, second line. Second line, for example, arsalna. Arsalna. Look, second line, second word. Arsalna. Yes. Ra has sukun before fatha. But first I was talking, if Ra has fatha, zamma, Ra will be heavy. Kasra is there, Ra will be light. And now second types. Second types is Ra sukun. That means Ra has sukun, Ra has sakina. Before that fatha. See, Hamza have fatha, no? Before Ra, Alif has fatha. So that time Ra will be heavy. That time Ra will be heavy. Huh? And Zamma time also will be Ra heavy. See the example, Qur'anun. Qur'anun. Kafartum and second Qur'anun. See, Ra sukun before Zamma. Ra sukun before Zamma. So that time Ra also will heavy. Qur'anun. We have to read Qur'anun. Huh? Okay. And this is second type. First type was Ra has Fatha Zamma. Ra will be heavy. Kasra. Ra will be light. Now second type, Ra sukun before Fatha. Ra will be right. Ra will be heavy. Ra sukun before Zamma, Ra will be heavy, and Ra sukun before Kasra, Ra will be light within three condition. Okay, listen carefully. Ra sukun before Kasra. What I have told, Ra sukun before Kasra, Ra will be light within three condition. See the third example. Third line. Mirsad. Mirsad. Third line. Yes. Mirsad is there. See, Ra sukun before Kasra. According the system, this Ra will be light, but this not light. Why? Because I have told no. there is three condition. Ra sukun before kasra, ra will be light, but there is three condition. First condition is original kasra should come in, original kasra should come. So meme is the original, meme has kasra, no, this is original kasra. Okay. Second condition is kasra should come in one word. So meme and ra, this is one word. Okay. So the second condition also okay. Third condition, after ra sukun, heavy letter should not come. But there, sod is the heavy letter. Sod, mir sod, sod is the heavy letter. That's why this ra will be heavy. So I have told ra sukun before kasra, ra will be light within three condition. If three condition is there, so we can read ra light. If any condition is break, if any condition is if any condition breaken, ra will be heavy. That okay. So here mirsad, ra will be heavy. Why? Two condition is okay. Third condition I told, after ra sukun, heavy letter should not come. After ra sukun, heavy letter should not come. So here after ra sukun, heavy letter come. So this ra will be heavy. Now qirtasun, ra sukun is there before kasra. Okay, kasra also original, ra sukun in same word, but follow by ra sukun, ta is there. Ta is the heavy letter. So there, yeah, condition is broken. So this ra will be heavy. Qirtas. Okay. Firqatun. Okay. Ra sukun is there. First condition, that blue color. Yeah, ra sukun is there. Before that, kasra is there. This kasra also original. Alhamdulillah, we find two condition together matching. Third condition, qaf is there. Qaf also heavy letter. Okay. So this ra also will be heavy because ra sakin after ra sakin followed by heavy letter came. So if heavy letter not come, no, that time ra will be light. But here heavy letter come. So condition is broken. Okay. Next example you should go. Amir tabu. Amir tabu. See. A me. Irtabu. Means are. Okay. Irtabu, the different word. Is different word. Correct? Is different word. Irtabu is different word. So now we are going to discuss. Green color, blue color, ra sukun is there. So alhamdulillah, ra sukun is there. We found first condition. Before that, second condition, kasra should become in same word. Is there kasra in same word? No. See, ami is another word. Irtabu is another word. So kasra came to another word. So rule has broken. So this ra also will heavy. Amir tabu. Okay. Because ami another word, irtabu another word. Not like mirsad. See, mirsad, first example in third line, mirsad. See, ra sukun before kasra. Ra sukun before kasra. Third line, first example. Ra sukun before kasra. Umar Siddiq, ra sukun before kasra. Third line, first example. Look. Third line, first example. Ra sukun before kasra. This ra sukun before kasra came in same word. But here, amir tabu, but here amir tabu, go to spotlight in amir tabu. Ami, this is one word, irtabu is another word. So second rule has broken. So this ra will be heavy, amir tabu. Even limanir tadha, this ra also will heavy. Why? Okay, first condition, ra sukun is there. Okay, I found first condition. But second condition is kasra should come in same word. Liman. For whom? Liman means for whom. Okay. For whom? Irtawa. That is different. So Ra sukun before kasra. Ra sukun is there. Before that kasra also is there. Okay. But this kasra in another word. Correct? Liman, one word. Irtawa in one word. So this is not same word. So this ra also will have in. If this kasra should come to like mirsad, mim ra, mir. First example, third line, mirsad. So this ra will be light. But what happened here? Liman irtawa. Okay, ra sukun is there, but kasra came to that another word. Okay, another word. So this ra will be heavy. Okay, and which one light? Which one light? Light example has not given. Is given. Light example is has given. You can come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth line, fourth example. Yes. Yes. Rasukun is there. Fir'aun. Look, Fir'aun. Rasukun is there before that kasra. Rasukun before that kasra. Followed by ain. Ain is not heavy letter. Actually, heavy letter only 7. Khussadatin qid. Khussadatin qid. That is group. Khussadatin qid. So in this khussadatin qid, there is no any letter. So ra sukun is there. First condition. Second condition is sukun in same word. Third condition should be after ra sukun should not come any heavy letter. So alhamdulillah, after ra sukun there is no any heavy letter. So we have found 3 conditions together. So this ra we have to read light. Fir'aun. Okay. Next example. Before that example, umirtu. Umirtu also same like this. Umirtu. Fir'aun before. Yes. Umirtu. Look here. Ra sukun is there. Before that kasra. This kasra is original kasra. And third condition is after ra sukun there is no heavy letter. Ta is the light letter. Umirtu. So this ra will be light. Shirdimatun. Iman Fir'aun after that shirdimatun. This also ra sukun before kasra followed by ra. There is no heavy letter. So this ra will be light. Okay. And another is majreha. This is exception. This in Holy Quran, that is only one example is there. It's called imala. What should call imala? That is exception is there. So we have to read majreha. Majreha. Okay. Majreha. Okay. So I have taught today's now about ra. First condition ra. Ra has fatha zamma. Ra will be light. Kasra. Ra will be ra has fatha zamma. Ra will be heavy. Kasra time. Ra will be light. Okay. Fatha example. Rabbuka. Zamma example. Rubama. Kasra example. Rijal. Okay. Second type is ra sukun before fatha zamma. Ra will be heavy. Example. Arsalna. Ra sukun before fatha. Ra will be heavy. Zamma example I am giving. Quran. Ra sukun before zamma. Ra will be heavy. Kasra example I am going to give. Fir'aun. Ra sukun before kasra. Ra will be light within 3 conditions. First condition is ra sukun before kasra. Kasra should be original. Second condition is ra sukun and kasra should be in same word. Third condition is after ra sukun should not come any heavy letter. That means hurufe mustaliya. Okay. After that, ra third condition. Now I'm going to explain about third condition of the ra. Okay, third condition of the ra, you know, ra sukun before ya come, ra will be light. Ra sukun before ya come, ra also will be light. Like taj, here you can see khair, tair, qadir, asir. Ra sukun before ya comes, so ra will be light. Okay, ra sukun before ya come, ra will be light. This is third condition. Okay. So now we are going to practice. For this lesson, alhamdulillah, I have told about the, you know, some rules and theory. Now I'm going to teach you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. حفرة حفرة فرت فرت. All of you repeat by muting your mic. نارا نارا. Next. شرا شرا. Next. يصدر يصدر. Next. نار نار. Next. ففروا ففروا. Next. مستقر مستقر. Next. أرسلنا أرسلنا. Next. كفرتم كفرتم. Next. قرآن قرآن. Next. يغررك يغررك. Third line. مرصادا مرصادا. Next. قرطاس قرطاس. Next. فرقة فرقة. Next. أمرتابوا أمرتابوا. Next. لمن ارتضى لمن ارتضى. Next. مرصادا مرصادا. Okay. Next line about right, light ra. تجري. See, ra has sukun. تجري. Next. غيره غيره. Next. درج. Be careful. درج. Once more. درج. Next. غير يسير غير يسير. Next. مستمر مستمر مستمر. Next line. يوم عسير يوم عسير. Umar Siddiq, you are not completely follow the, you know, spotlight. I'm worried about you. Qadir Qadir. Khabir. Ya sukun before kasra. Ra sukun before ya. Khabir. Khair खैर, तैर, तैर। नेक्स्ट, कुम फअंदिर, थर्ड लाइन। नेक्स्ट लाइन, कुम फअंदिर, रा सुकून बिफोर कसरा। नेक्स्ट, तस्तकफिर, तस्तकबिर, तस्तकबिर, तस्तकसिर, ओके सॉरी, तस्तकसिर, तस्तकसिर। नेक्स्ट, उमिरतु, उमिरतु। नेक्स्ट, फिरऔन, 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 शिरदिमतुन। नेक्स्ट, शिरदिमतुन, शिरदिमतुन। नेक्स्ट, मजरेहा, हाउ टू रीड, मजरेहा व मुरसाहा, व मुरसाहा, मजरेहा व मुरसाहा। I'm requesting to all of you, please write this one and practice well. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.